Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a controller overlay using Gamepad Viewer on PC with OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to gamepadviewer.com. Now here's an important note before you proceed further. Make sure your controller is connected first, either via Bluetooth or USB. This is essential because the website needs to detect your controller before you can generate the overlay. Once you're on the page, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a message that says there are currently no gamepads connected. Press any button to enable. Go ahead and press any button on your controller to activate it. This allows the website to recognize your device and establish the connection. After your controller is detected, look at the top of the page and click on the button that says None. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Player 1. This assigns your controller to the first player slot, which is necessary for the overlay to work properly with OBS. Next, in the top left corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines representing the menu icon. Click on it to open the navigation sidebar. From the left sidebar that appears, click on Generate URL. This is where you'll customize your controller overlay before bringing it into OBS. Now look for the option labeled Skin and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Select your preferred controller from the list. This allows you to match the on-screen overlay with the actual controller you're using, making it more accurate and visually appealing for your viewers. Once you've selected your controller skin, copy the URL link at the top of the page by clicking it. The link will automatically copy to your clipboard, so you don't need to manually select and copy it. This URL contains all the settings you just configured and will be used in OBS to display your controller overlay. Now open your OBS app on your desktop. In the bottom left section of the screen, navigate to Sources. Click the plus icon to add a new source, then select Browser from the list of options. This source type allows you to display web content directly in your OBS scene. A dialog box will appear asking you to name the source. Rename it whatever you want. For example, type Gamepad or Controller, then click OK. Next, you'll see the Properties window for the browser source. Navigate to the URL field and delete the existing URL link that's already there. Paste the URL link you copied earlier from Gamepad Viewer, then click OK to confirm. At this point, the controller will show up as disconnected or appear as a red image in your OBS scene. Don't worry, this is normal. In order to enable or connect it, simply press any button on your controller to activate the overlay. You can resize the controller if needed by dragging the corners to fit your stream layout perfectly. Finally, press any button on your controller to test if the overlay is working correctly and responding to your inputs in real time. And there you have it, your controller overlay is now fully set up and ready to use in OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.